Hi, this is George from Upfish Ads, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a campaign in a different language pretty easily. So for any companies who are not based in an English-speaking country, this is pretty useful. So what I'm going to start off with is just a campaign name. I'm going to call this Haze Project France. Okay, so for this example I'm using a French company called Haze Project, where I bought a bag from recently because they do nice bags and they're based in France. So I'll select the brand as Haze Project and I'll put in a landing page. Yeah. So I'll just paste in a landing page here, which is for one of their roll top bags, so a specific product. I'll keep the target CPA and the daily budget at 10 and 50 because I'm not actually going to run this campaign. But here I'm going to change geography to France. And I'm going to change the target language to French. Now this is a cold campaign, so I'll click on next. And then I'll generate the goals and keywords. So what this is going to do is going to generate some seed keywords for me based on the landing page. It's also going to create me campaign goals and anything interesting from the landing page, like any kind of slogans that the company might use. Unfortunately, I don't actually speak French, so I have no idea if this is accurate or not. Things like this: sign up to get a 50% discount. I guess this means a 50%. I don't know. I don't speak French. We'll just assume it's all okay. And then I'll just click on create campaign. So within the next minute, it will create all of the ad groups, the ad group copy. It will have seeded some keywords, both from the URL and also the positive keywords that we supplied here, which I guess this means roll top bag, modular bag, waterproof bag, all this kind of stuff, 25-litre roll top. And then we can actually see what has happened in terms of a campaign that we can publish almost immediately. Okay, so now that our campaign Haze Project France has been created, we can actually have a look into the preview and see what has been created here. So again, this is the campaign objective. It's in French. I don't speak French. I can see the ad group. So here we have an ad group for high ROI keywords. We've got the keywords here is sac à dos, sac voyage à dos, sac à dos rein, sac dos hommes. Apologies for the French accent. And basically these are a collection of keywords in French where the bidding estimate is beneath the CPI added in. Okay, we can see here the headlines generated: sac durable guarantee, sac d'or pour deux, sac dos professionnel. There are some in English here, Trust Haze Project, because some of their website is in English. And when I was doing this, I actually did the value proposition in English. Sorry, the company profile in English, because again, I don't speak French. But if you did that part in French, it will all come out in French. We can see here the descriptions: découvre le sac dos étanches parfait pour tout voyage. This is all in French. We have an ad group for high search volume keywords. So these are the words with the bid estimate is beneath the daily budget, arranged by search volume. Again, sac dos militaires, sac dos femme voyage, sac dos vélo, top sac randonnée, cycling sac dos, explore with our sac randonnée built for all. Again, don't understand this. Here we have another one. Then we have the then we have the thematic group. So this is to do with modular everyday backpack, and this one is to do with outdoor adventure backpacks. And it all looks good. I can check all of the keywords generated. So there was 265, of which we're using, it looks like 97. And I can see that, yep, the ones with the high search volume are in there. Everything seems to be a good value in terms of their bid versus our target CPA and target budget. In terms of the unassigned keywords, I guess this is a cycling backpack. If I wanted to, I could add this to outdoor adventure. Let me just move my head out the way here. And then I'll assign this to a different group. Sac de impermeable, I guess that means rainproof. So I can assign that to modular everyday backpacks perhaps, just to keep it in there. But everything looks good. I can come back to the ads here, just to triple check everything is well beneath the character limit according to the Google Ads API. And if I wanted to check anything again, I can just come into edit ad content, but I don't speak French. There's no point editing it, but if I wanted to, I could. And everything looks good. So I can just click on publish to Google Ads, and then the campaign goes live just like that. All right, thank you.